Oh yeah, you can put that on a flip-flop and it'll taste good. Speaking about flipping your mindset, this Saturday, April 18th, NSA Central Florida has the one and only Frank Kitchen coming to town. And he's gonna help you cook up the results that you're looking for in your speaking business. So you don't wanna miss it. This Saturday, April 18th, is gonna be epic, where Frank Kitchen is gonna share his recipes, not on cooking, but on how to stop chasing gigs and start cooking up fresh speaking opportunities for your business. Yes, this Saturday, April 18th, NSA Central Florida, both online and also at St. Louis University. It's gonna be epic. We're taking you on the road down to Flavortown with Frank Kitchen this Saturday, April 18th. Don't miss it.
Hey, NSA Central Florida. Are you a professional speaker who wants to get on big stages like this and speak often? Are you a coach or a trainer who's tired of speaking for free and you want to speak for a fee? Well, I got some exciting news for you. I've been invited to come and speak at your chapter. My name is Frank Kitchen, and I've been asked to come and speak at your chapter on Saturday, April 18th to deliver my program, Flip Your Mindset and Live Fresh, how to cook up the results you hunger for in your speaking business. Because for many of us, we know the art of speaking, but do we really understand the business of speaking? You could be the greatest speaker in the world, but if you're not knowing how to build your relationships, how to build your network, how to understand the business side of this crazy thing called professional speaking, then you never get a chance to get on those stages there. So I'm gonna be there to share my recipe on what I use to go from an aspiring professional speaker who is hoping for a paycheck to a certified speaking professional, which means I've been recognized as one of the top speakers in this business game. So I'm looking forward to seeing all of you on Saturday, April 18th, 2026. And until then, if you got any questions, check me out at frankkitchen.com. Look me up on LinkedIn. And I'm more than happy to answer any questions because speaking is a legal high where we get a chance to transform lives with our passion, our purpose, and our knowledge and the gift of public speaking.